Okay, it's August 16. Kami ay kakain lang kasi anniversary daw namin. Okay. Kain tayo sa buffet sa buffet sa Carson. Sa Carson tayo kakain. Yung Vegas buffet. Vegas buffet sa Carson. Okay, nandito na kami sa Carson. Sa Carson na kami. Ito kami ng Vegas buffet. BJ's. Tapos ito, yan ang Vegas buffet. Ang Carson. Maglalakad-lakad daw muna. Cute naman ito. Tesla. So Japanese. Ano meron dyan? Uncle Tetsu.
Hi, which one is your bestseller?
Bestseller would be the original. That's what we're known
The
for.
original?
If you wanted to try the flavor, strawberry straight on.
Oh, okay. So can I try one original
Yeah.
and one strawberry?
Okay.
What about the chocolate one? No?
Chocolate's going to be already in the numbers, so we don't have that right now.
Oh, okay.
Uncle Tetsu. Ito. Yung may sa'yo?
Dito na yung pinili ni Tatsen.
Come for better sleep and
Saan yung
savings.
sa'yo?
Ashley.
Asan yung sa'yo?
If there's any questions, let me know. I'll be
Thank you.
I used
Magkano
to
yan?
call you every night. You used to pick up every time.
So, magkano?
Walang nakalagay.
those are off-white. Those are shimmers. Shimmers? Yeah, off-whites. Yeah, they do. They're similar. They're not off-white.
Ah.
Yeah.
30, nandun na tayo. $29 nga ba kilo?
Oh, 29. Oo. Okay, let's go. Uy, may oyster. Walang tuna, wala sablay. Hindi kompleto. So, unang set pa lang yan.
Ano pa ba sila, Mickey?
Wala. Sawi sa pagkain. Walang tuna. Walang oyster. Wala. Vegas. Boy sawi.
Keep on West Carson Street for 1 mile.
Ang Carson area. Maraming mga Pilipino dito. Carson.
For you and forever.
I just felt thrown under the bridge. I felt like you.
Siya ang nagdo everything. Tapos natutulog siya sa lower part.
I'm gonna see if I can fix the door. Continue on Torres
I asked
Boulevard for
Roy
2 miles.
to help you. Is Roy just, I don't know if Roy used it or I know I put it somewhere that everybody could use it. Did you check it on the sink?
The sink?
Yeah, just check it out when I come back. Me that is gonna come back. Then we're just gonna buy chicken.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
You and me, find out. We're having it out. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Continue on South Lamont Avenue for 2 miles.
Daddy, ano ka lang ba? Side street?
Puros mga RV. Bili tayo ng pagkain ng mga homeless. Ito sa Winko. Diyan tayo bibili ng chicken. Oh, okay. I think 1 pound only is okay. Just 1 pound. $8 sa oyster natin. Papaschedule dito ako ng blood work kasi hindi ako natuloy noon. So August 19, 6 p.m. bago kami pumunta ng Vegas ng training. Ayan, confirm. Okay, yan, schedule na ako for blood work. August 19, 6 p.m. Bigfoot Center Mall. Thank you. Yeah.
Nagbabag ka lang?
Yung ang ganda ng ano mo.
Gusto mo? Gusto mo?
Hindi, okay lang.
Teka, gusto mo. Marami
Pero ka?
dito.
Ako mo. Yan ang attitude ng ano. Maganda kasi kasamahan ko, nagkukwentuhan pa eh.
Hindi kasi
Dito kami nakatira dati sa likod.
marami magnanakaw eh.
Ay, sinabi mo. Nagbabantay ka?
Pag hindi ka naka-alerto, mabibili
Ah,
sila.
si-
Ay, pag hi and hello ko, tatakbo na.
Exactly.
Pero pag alam ko yung mga kilala ko, hindi ba nanakaw yan?
Sige, ingat. Thank you. Okay, ito yung para sa aming anniversary food para sa mga homeless. 24 or 25. Okay.
Ang sasakyan.
What's up, bro?
Everybody went away.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, guys. Chicken.
And then you want some water?
Water is here. Yeah. Your water, bro.
Have this one. Who else?
One more.
Usually, you used to have like a line of. Where
Yeah, but everybody went away.
Really?
Yeah, for someone.
Are you really? How was it? Good.
I would.
And water too. Get some water. Okay.
Get some fruits there.
Spoon, water. Yeah. Oh, God bless you, brother. Jesus, you want to cut your hair or just leave it up?
We're gonna put rice, but my sister said like, no, they
Huh?
don't eat rice. You just put like mushrooms or either like.
And his favorite is
He
shrimp.
Yeah. The last time you brought me, I liked it.
You like it?
Yeah.
I remember that. I was actually here that day.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see you that day.
Yeah, I was here.
You? Oh,
You know,
okay.
wearing blue.
How was it?
No,
You like it?
Blue Adidas shirt.
Oh, okay.
It's our anniversary, so instead of
Happy
like,
anniversary.
Oh, thank you, brother.
you know, inviting people or like.
They're brothers.
Just like buy food for them.
Yeah.
Is your anniversary
Yeah, today.
today?
Mm.
August 7th.
25 years
Congratulations.
25.
Uh-huh.
being together.
It's good because we don't
It never
have
happens.
parents anymore that they stay together forever. You know?
I know. I don't want to. But
You
I
got
can.
to. You got to.
There you go.
Y'all go have this blended family.
So it's like, just give it to them. Just get one. This one. What's up, bro?
Yeah, I don't want to go. That's all.
Laro sila eh.
Damn.
Forget your water, okay?
Oh man, my God, I wasn't even paying attention, though. That's all. Fuck, that's cool.
Okay. Jesus!
Thank you.
Hey, thank you, dog. for
Bye-bye.
real.
Thank you. Thank you, brother.
Bye, man.
Appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Say hi to your friends.
Hello, everybody. Thank you.
Okay. Jesus!
I'm all chewing.
Bye.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you, dog. For
Bye-bye.
real.
Thank you. Thank you, brother.
Bye, man.
Appreciate it.
Thank you very much.
Say hi to your friends.
Hello, everybody. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Your water. You got it? Huh? You take care, okay?
Fucking dying.
No, you're good. Alright, God bless you. Ha? Ilan pa? Doon pa may. Bigyan mo na ng tatlo kasi Yan, magdaratingan din yan. Yun.
Ha?
Yun, sa gilid. Akin na. Food! Hi there! Remember me? How are you?
Sitting here trying to figure all this out.
Okay, so do you need water? Of course, right?
Yeah.
Water, so that's 3.
My old man will be gone for a long time. I told him to get lost.
Oh, you know, huh?
Yeah, he was like a
Okay,
sissy.
let me get you water. Okay, mama.
Anna's sleeping.
Huh?
The dog Anna is sleeping.
Okay,
Yeah,
you take care, okay? Where's your doggy? Where's your doggy?
Sleeping, yeah. She wants to go to sleep.
What's the name of your dog?
Anna.
Ana, okay. Bye-bye.
God bless you.
That's it. God bless. Okay, yan po mag-e-end ang ating pamimigay sa ating mga homeless na kaibigan. Ilok Pinoy, pagod na ako, medyo mainit. Let's go at magpapahinga muna bago tayo mag-gym. Babush! Success ulit.